Make it really quick.
Oh, dude, I will.
All right, now as you'll soon see, this vehicle has a spectacular finish.
All right, so it is day 5, and I can't believe it. We finished the build. Enough talking. Let's get this cover off and get that burnout going. I always tell the guys we have a week to build the car, and then we have another week to fix everything that we need to go back on. So all we need to do is get the car done so it moves under its own power, it looks completed.
Do a burnout.
Go outside, do a big burnout, call it a Friday, and then go home, and then we'll come back on Monday, Christian and I, and we'll go through some stuff and just tidy it up.
What on set?
Action. All right, so it's day 1 of week to Wheelin.
Okay guys, so it is, let's see, 7:44 on Monday, and we started around 9:30. We got quite a bit done on this build. This is so epic to be a part of. Basically got a rolling chassis, we got most of the engine work kind of figured out, but we got the springs on, we got the gas tank, we got the fuel lines going, front suspension is all on, obviously the rear end is in, steering box. Tomorrow's gonna be pretty epic. And again, if I haven't explained it yet, basically week to Wheelin, you got 5 days to build a Bronco. Not a Bronco, any rig. This year they're doing a Bronco. It's epic. It's kind of stressful, but it's fun. Hopefully you guys will see this Bronco out somewhere, and we'll definitely keep you guys updated. So anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, so it's day 2 of our week to Wheelin. Hold on, gotta look at there, okay. It is day 2 of our week to Wheelin.
Alright guys, so that was the end of day 2 of week to Wheelin. We got the engine and the tranny sitting in the chassis. We got the header started. We put the frame and the body together a couple times to get the fitment right. Couple of problems, a lot of hiccups that we had to work through, but we're getting there. We got the column in. Tomorrow, day 3, hopefully, we're gonna mate the body and the frame for the last time. Anyways, we're wrapping up, we're taking off. So we will see you guys for day 3. Hope you guys are enjoying this build as much as us. Anyways guys, catch you later. All right, so it's the start of day 3. Not even the start, this is like half of day 3. Didn't feel like recording too much, but this is kind of the day, like I said yesterday. Body meets the frame. So we got all kinds of wiring that we're doing. We got wires running into the engine, which I'll show you. All of that for it's pretty much go time. After this, it's 2 days left, which seems like a little bit of time when you realize you've got this much done already. But all of the hiccups that we've run into up until now, you can only anticipate problems in the future. So who knows what kind of stuff we're gonna run into. But day 3, baby. Let's keep it rolling. Alright guys, it's the big moment. The body is about to meet the frame after all of today's work, all today's crazy fabricating and stuff to make this thing work. We're sandwiching both of them together, so 2-inch body lift is what got settled on to clear the transmission, the engine, and all of that fun stuff. We'll have to see. We got 2 days left to dial everything in, but once this puppy's sitting on the frame, I think we're pretty far. So let's check it out. Alright guys, so I'm over here in the fabrication room, hiding from them while they're filming. I gotta be kind of quiet, but it's day 4 of the week to Wheelin Bronco build, and this is getting pretty exciting. We've got a little bit of wiring to do. I gotta finish the exhaust, got some interior stuff to dial in, but other than that, this build is coming together, and these next 2 days are gonna be pretty stressful, I assume. Again, I've said it a million times with the amount of hiccups we've run into in these past 3 days, and just the amount of speed that we've gotten over those, it's incredible. So we'll hopefully get it all dialed in. Let's get this day started, guys.
That didn't work as planned.
That is a wrap to day 4 of the Bronco build. And we got one more day to put all this together.
One more day to make it live.
You think we're gonna do it?
I think we're absolutely gonna do it.
Absolutely gonna do it. Let's see, what do we got left? Oh, you know what? We have a whole board. We've got the fan, fuel filler. Anyways, we got all of that stuff that's not crossed out. So this could take quite a while, but we've got a team that's just gonna kill it. So stay tuned for the turnover. We'll fill you guys in tomorrow. Hopefully all of our efforts were not in vain. So it is the start of day 5. Dialing in the front bumper. They're out there starting to do the work that they gotta do. And it's just gonna be a mixture of all kinds of
A
mechanical
mad
stuff.
dash to the burnout.
Dude, that's exactly what it is. A mad dash. Everybody, you should see the list. I showed you the list last night. Crossing my fingers here, guys. But we're gonna make it today. Right.
Absolutely.
1000%. All right, guys. Let's just jump right into it.
Man, there's a lot of pressure. All these cameras. You guys really think it's gonna start up? Go ahead. Let's see what happens. Oh, I can see it.
Ready? Yeah.
Not bad.
Bigger with your hands?
Yeah. Go for it.
So, one wire was the reason why the EFI didn't spark. We got that fixed.
No, we gotta set initial
I guess I didn't read the instructions that well. So I'm fired up. I feel better.
Are you doing the burnout, Jason?
No, I'm gonna let Christian do it this time. This is the way I look at it. No matter what, this Christian and I have to be here to build this. They don't. So for them to come out and help, all these guys do the burnout, flip it, do whatever you want. Oh, sorry, no, I didn't mean flip it, Paul. I meant just a burnout.
Great news, we're about to do the smoky burnout. Apparently that's a staple of what we do here at Week to Wheelin, Week to Wicked, Garage, four-wheeler, whatever you want to call it. This is it, guys. The build up for this moment. So, lots of drama. Let's check it out.